Well, it's Valentine's Day, but one thing you're likely not in love with is your love handles. Dr. Tess Mauricio of Scripps Dermatology and Cosmetic Center is here with some solutions, and she's brought along her Valentine, her husband, and the co-founder of Scripps Ranch Derm, Dr. James Lee. Good morning to you both. Thanks so much for being here.
Happy to be here.
All right, so great to see your other half here as well this morning. So basically, we're talking about something that so many men experience and something that you experienced as well, the love handles, right?
Absolutely. There's something about our body, like men, we like to keep that fat there, and no matter what you do, you can't get rid of it, and this is a way to do that.
And belly fat is so unhealthy to go with it as well.
Well, yeah, studies have shown that if you keep your weight around your torso, that's, you're more likely for cardiovascular disease, stroke, things like that. But aside from that, it's just
annoying.
It's annoying.
You want to get rid of it.
It's annoying.
So
and you don't have to be overweight to actually have the love handles and abdomen. And for my husband, that's basically it. He's never really been overweight. It's about the same weight. But, you know, when he tucked in his shirt and I put my arms around his waist for photos, that bulge just showed. And we said, once and for all, let's take care of it.
Get rid of the bulge.
And no matter what I did, I couldn't get, I mean, the sit-ups doesn't matter.
So then you became the patient.
That's right.
Talk about the procedure you went through.
The procedure is it's very nice. You don't have to go to sleep. You don't want to. As a matter of fact, I elected to stay awake. She just gave me a little sedation, and you lie there and let her do the job.
And so how does it work?
Well, it's basically the latest technology in liposuction. We call it liposculpture, and we use laser technology, combining that to really offer the patient the least invasive, safest, and easiest procedure possible. So I go in and I sculpt away that area, the areas of fat that you cannot get rid of with exercise or dieting. And love handles is probably, say, the most common area that we treat, especially for men. And nowadays, even we're seeing, because of the safety of the procedure, we're taking care of a lot of patients who are over 50, who before would say, well, maybe I'm too old to do this, maybe I'll have some loose skin. But now with all this advances, we can take care of those patients as well. And I would say the majority of our patients fall into that category.
And I think we have a before and after of one of those patients.
Yes.
Tell us his story.
Well, his story, he's 50, and he came in, he exercised every day, worked out with a trainer, and could not get rid of the fat on his belly, his love handles, and his chest. And he's a photographer and took photos of all these beautiful models, and his dream was he wanted to be in the calendar. And a few months later, after we did the liposculpture procedure, he sent me that photo and he said, Dr. Mauricio, not bad for a 50-year-old grandpa, and you made my dream come true. I'm now a poster
he's a
calendar guy.
He's a poster boy.
Exactly.
But really one thing we also want to emphasize is this is kind of a jump start, but there is important to have a healthy lifestyle to go with it, because once you get the jump start, you still need to maintain it.
Right, and once you maintain it, then my husband, we've done his procedure about 5 years ago, and that really motivated him. He looks better than ever now because he's been exercising.
Part of the thing is that there's a frustration. If you work out and you don't see results, you get frustrated, you give up. When you do see the results, you're doing the push-ups and sit-ups, and you can actually see what's going on, it motivates you to keep going.
So and good for you as well, too,
absolutely.
right? You got to enjoy it.
We love it, and our patients are very happy with it.
Well, you know you believe in it when you operate on your own husband.
That's true.
So then you know that. So Valentine's Day, your guys' plans?
Oh, well, we are going to be eating dim sum for Chinese New Year, so it's great. We're all dressed up now, ready to go.
Excellent. And we see the information on the screen right there if you want to visit Dr. Mauricio or Dr. Lee at Scripps Dermatology. Thanks so much for being here. Happy Valentine's Day to you both.
You too.
And nice brooch, by the way.
Oh,
excellent.
Great.
And for more information, you go to san diego6.com and click on Hot Topics.